Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to go ahead and set up DPA lookalike audiences. So I'm really excited to see how this goes. I'll be showing you guys the whole process on how to set it up. I'm going to be creating a new campaign. 013.music chess DPA fresh audience. And go for catalog sales 001 dot add name, save to draft. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate all the retargeting ads that we did over to this new campaign, and then so all I have to do is just change the audience targeted, and this will save me some time. So I'll duplicate it over to the new ad set, existing campaign 013, duplicate. And then now I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and click on show relevant products to prospective customers even if they haven't visited our website or app. And then I'm going to browse and I'm going to use the music chess if you ordered more than 20 products. Placement, let's leave it mixed for now. Purchase, so I'm going to edit this. Prospective customers, no targeting. Music chess, top countries. Put it in here. Copy. Music chess, top countries. Copy. Paste. So yeah, basically the placements is pretty much the same. The stories, audience network, inbox, that's all basically the same. Go ahead and remove this. But as you can see, what people could have done is also target lookalike audiences. So you could send your lookalike audiences a DPA ad and show it to them, and that's going to have a pretty high conversion rate as well. Because you know how lookalike audiences are really strong. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and publish this and just let it go with no targeting. Let's see how that goes. Publish. And that's how you go ahead and create a DPA ad and send it to lookalike audiences based on Facebook's algorithm. You could go ahead and do the same thing with actual lookalike audiences, 1 to 10%, but I'd rather do it with no targeting because it will give Facebook the ability to go ahead and show the ad to relevant people who are most likely going to be purchasing. And what I did was I optimized for purchase, and that's what Facebook is going to do. So hope you guys found value in this video. Hope you guys liked it. Be sure to check out the previous retargeting DPA ad video. That is really powerful, so definitely check that out. Other than that, if you liked the video, be sure to leave a like below. If you have any questions whatsoever, drop it in the comments below. I'll be answering all comments. If you need help with scaling your business, be sure to sign up for the mentorship application linked in the description below. Other than that, don't forget to subscribe because I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Yeah.